I heard someone having a good time in here. What you up to? Why are you so cute? You're out of breath. You've been rolling and jumping around? You big goofball. Yeah, there's Stuart. Yeah, he's having fun with you, isn't he? Oh, Stuart. Stuart's got a red bow on now. Yeah, you see the birds? There's your birds. And then there's more birds. Yeah, more birds. Alright, Doodlebug. Wanna come play with Mommy?